Good morning, everyone. I'm Akmal and I'm here with my partner Geeta Balan. Today, we are presenting our cloud technology assignment. We took a deep dive into the movie world by combining data from both IMDb and Netflix.
We used PySpark and Spark SQL to do this. We basically wanted to show how big data tools can help us clean up and find meaningful patterns in huge entertainment datasets.
Introduction part. So, what is the project really about? Simply, we took huge data set from IMDb and Netflix and built a system to merge them both. Our goal wasn't just to look at the data, but to really work with it, like cleaning it up, changing it into better formats, and using exploratory data analysis or EDA to see what makes movie popular.
Our main goal were technical. We needed to use PySpark to clean up raw, messy data and combine different sources into one single datasets. Beyond just merging, we wanted to visualize the key things we found. Most importantly, we wanted to save our final clean data in the Pregate format to show a complete professional data workflow.
So, we next to the fourth slide, tools and technologies. To do this, we used a strong set of tools. The core work was done with PySpark and Spark SQL data frames running on Python 3. We also used Pandas and Seaborn to make our charts, and the whole project runs on the Java Deployment Kit 17 backend, which we tested on both macOS and Windows.
Okay, so let's talk about data we used. We had four main sources. First, a Netflix data set with about 8,800 rows, but the real challenge came from IMDb. We used their metadata, ratings, and the massive IMDb basic file, which has over around 12 million rows. Handling a file that big is exactly what we needed the power of Spark.
Now, the sixth slide, data cleaning and processing. Before we could join these data sets, we had to clean them up. Real world data is usually messy. We filled in missing values, removed duplicates, and filtered out things that weren't movies like TV shots or episodes. A big job was fixing the multi genre entries where a movie is listed as action, comedy, thrill. So we could actually analyze. We also standardized the text to make sure everything matched up correctly.
So here's how we combined the data. We started by loading our files. We first joined the huge IMDb basic files with the ratings data to create one master IMDb file. Separately, we merged the Netflix data with its metadata. Finally, we combined these two groups, keeping only the movies that appeared in both. This gave us our final DF, which had about 160,000 high quality rows.
Now coming on to the exploratory data analysis slides, which is EDA. Once the engineering part was done, we move on to the analysis. We made the charts to see how ratings are spread out, which genres are the most common, and how movies production was changed over the years. We also looked especially at how Netflix content compressed to the rest of the movies industries.
Coming to the ninth slide, here's what we found. First, drama and comedy are by far the biggest genres in the industry. We also saw a massive production boom. That means the number of movies being made went up sharply after the year 2000. Interestingly, when looking at quality, we found that the top rated movies mostly fall into the 8 to 9 rating range rather than being spread out.
Now, coming up to the 10th slide, which is conclusion. To wrap up, this project showed just how well PY Spark handles big tasks. We took raw data set with millions of rows and turned them into clean, organized format that is ready for machine learning or dashboards.
We met all the assignment requirement and learned a lot about the global movie market.
So, thank you for listening. We are signing off.